This is the correct way to use the pass-through pockets on Arrowhead hoodies and jackets. Let me show you. The key for drawing quickly is to defeat your garment fully and reliably. Pass-through pockets let you take steps to do this before you begin your visible draw motion. Let me show you what you would do in concealment to prepare to draw this gun. I'll have the jacket open so you can see what's going on. First, get your shirt out of the way. Tuck it behind your gun and behind your holster so that the grip of your firearm is free and clear. Second, position the holstered weapon up inside the zipper of the pass-through pocket. This eliminates key snag points and minimizes the distance the gun has to travel when you are drawing. Third, get a good grip and position your arm for the draw. With the pass-through pocket, the motion is out and then forward. And remember, always keep your finger well clear of the trigger until you are pointed at the target. And remember, for safety, the pass-through pocket is a one-way trip. If you need to reholster, either lift your jacket or unzip to put it back into the holster. So let's put it all together. I've got my pass-through unzipped. Let me show you the setup steps. So I see a situation developing I'm not happy about. I tuck my shirt behind my holster. I move the gun up into the pocket. I prepare to draw, and I've shot. Now, remember, practice makes perfect. So definitely get in some reps in dry fire to get comfortable with this for your weapon and your pass-through pocket and your holster before you attempt any live fire. Stay safe out there and happy shooting.